Stop that!
Hey!
Stop touching her!
Don't touch her.
The baby's over here. You've done enough, so you need to go on the other side.
Who else is in the car?
The baby's over here. Hey!
There's a baby back there too.
The baby's back here has no head.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, George, too, we got 3 children. 1 is decapitated. Hey, stop touching the child. You're going to cause more harm than there is done already. Do you understand? Hey, I want you guys to get away from here. Okay?
That's my car right there.
Okay, we'll take care of that later. She's 419. All right. There's another child over there that's breathing.
It's messed up. I tried trying the past thing is messed up.
Whatever. Yeah, there's another one in the back.
Here's what's going to happen right now, okay? You're actually being placed under arrest right now, okay? You're under arrest for felony child abuse and neglect resulting in death for your 2 kids. Okay? We're going to have correctional staff be present with you at all times until you're medically cleared, and then you'll be transported to the North Las Vegas jail.
Are you serious?
Nope.
So you're not serious?
Oh, I am serious. I am serious, yes. You are under arrest right now for those charges. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, for what?
For felony child abuse and neglect resulting in their death of both of your kids.